Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. I'm surprising my husband with a truck. My husband has been looking for another pickup truck like this for about 4 years. So I went onto Craigslist, found this pickup truck, and a nice couple in Oklahoma decided to meet us halfway, and we hopped in the truck and went home. It's a 1983 Chevy Silverado that I really don't know much about, so Dad, why don't you walk around the car?
That's a pretty straight old truck, especially for being 37 years old or so. Used to be yellow and white, but looked like somebody changed the white to black at one point. Got the rally wheels, kind of good looking. Need a center cap up there, but not too bad. These are really bad to rust down in the cab corner, which we probably do have a little bit right here. And I don't know, maybe the bottom of this door might give us a chance to practice our welding skills. Bed looks pretty good. Looks like somebody's replaced on that tailgate, maybe repainted it. And we've got some rust down here in the corners of the tailgate, and this is probably one of the toughest ones. We're going to have to put a pretty big patch panel in there. And going down our biggest spot here is we're just missing a piece of truck here. So definitely be putting the outer rocker on. Take a look at the inside here. I think it's a combination of black and tan now, but I think it was originally all tan colored. You can see it starting to come back through here, but you know, pretty standard fare for the time. Carpet's been changed to black too, it looks like. Needs a seat cover, a good cleaning. Headliner looks to be in nice shape. That's kind of rare. And got the full gauge package on it. Pretty neat. Air conditioning. The controls anyway. Not much left of that under the hood. And a stereo. 2 oil pressure gauges. That's good insurance. We'll take a look at the fun part here, which is under the hood. Originally, this truck was manufactured with a 5-liter 305 V8. But now, according to the stickers, it's got a 350 in it, and it's got some Edelbrock parts on it. Got an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb and an intake. Got headers, don't know what brand those are. Got the air conditioning delete package here. Probably end up putting one of those back in someday. But this is a strong point of this truck. I drove this thing back to Dallas for a good part of the way, and it just runs like a tank. Or I guess being Chevy, like a rock. But it was really nice suspension, good driving truck, plenty of power, sounds good. So we'll look forward to cleaning this engine bay up and seeing what we can do with this to make it look nice.
Now that you've seen what this truck looks like, I'm really excited to give this to my husband and make a video about that, because there are no YouTube videos of wives giving their husband old project trucks like this. They're all the newer, more expensive trucks. However, if my husband doesn't like it, Dad, you're going to have to buy this truck back for me, because what am I going to do with this truck except make videos off of it? Otherwise, I hope that you liked the truck and liked our video, and we'll see you next time.